classic from Rockford Fosgate. It's a Punch 100 DSM. The condition is pretty good. It must be from 1993, I'm not sure, but should be. I think in 1994 the IX series or I series was introduced. This one is rated 50 watts per channel into a 4 ohm load. Still intact, warranty seal. So my opinion is it's not good if it's intact, so nobody ever check this one out. Punch's idle current is around 0.9 amps. That's okay, so it doesn't pull excessive current. So my amp is connected and I will measure the continuous output power. I have 21.53 volts. It's 118 watts. 118 watts of continuous power. This amp is rated 50 watts. I have to interrupt this test because I found out that one channel is defective. The positive waveform is crippled. I will continue with another amplifier, which is almost the same like this, but this time it's a Punch 100 IX DSM from around 1995, and I would say it's also in nice condition, also intact warranty seals, and it's also rated 50 watts per channel into 4 ohms. I will continue the output power test with this amp. I have to switch on my power supply, I forgot. Boom! And I have an output voltage of 21.85. The Punch is connected mono 4 ohm. It's the same like testing 2 ohms per channel. And I got 37.35 volts. So that equals 359 watts mono 4 ohms. This divided by 2 is a 2 ohm output power per channel, both channels driven. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time with the next victim of testing. Bye bye.